As the number of coronavirus cases grows in the 5 boroughs, there continues to be much concern about the health of our first responders. CBS 2's Tara Jakeway spoke with the FDNY commissioner today about how his department is adapting to this new landscape.
It's challenging times, but our members, as always, are up to the challenge.
FDNY Commissioner Daniel Nigro says for 155 years, New York's bravest have responded to calls every day, and coronavirus has not changed that. But their initial dialogue with callers has.
Do you have a fever? Do you have a cough? So that if they do, our members know in advance that this is potentially a COVID-19 case.
To help flatten the curve, firefighters are not alternating schedules or mixing companies.
The same crew comes in every 4 days in the same firehouse, so that people don't work in other firehouses. They work only in their own.
But in some cases, when it comes to life-saving, social distancing is not an option.
We can't change the configuration on ambulances, so we have our EMTs, paramedics in the front seat. The distance is what it is.
46 members have tested positive for COVID-19 as of Monday. And when it comes to testing others,
the fire department does not test. We do not have the ability to test, so we can only follow the directions of DOH in both the city.
So a member has to be showing serious symptoms to get tested. For decades, the FDNY has responded to and transported New Yorkers with contagious diseases. So he says they have protective gear. But with the growing number of coronavirus cases,
it's not enough to cover the daily usage in the hospitals and by our first responders.
The supply of masks in particular is critically low.
We can only hope that the federal government hears our pleas here in New York and sends us the protective equipment that our members and that the folks working in hospitals need.
The number one way he says New Yorkers can help the FDNY is to only call 911 in case of emergency. For information on COVID-19, you're asked to call 311. In the West Village, Tara Jakeway, CBS 2 News.